today I will be showing you how to make these beautiful flowers step by step. It is very simple, so even beginners can make it. As you see, my flowers have only one color, but if you want to mix, you can. So less talking and let's get right into it. Stay tuned till the end. So in this project, we'll be needing a 3.5 millimeters hook. We'll be needing a needle, and we'll be needing scissors. This is the color I'm going to use. It's blue. I don't know which blue it is, but it's blue. Yep. You can make any color of your choice. Starting off, we're going to be making a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, this is how I make a magic ring. So like that, and then you roll it over your two fingers and you make a next like that, and then you enter your hook and then you grab the other yarn like that, then you let go and you make a chain to secure it, so that like that. So we are going to make 12 single crochets around this ring. Can you see it's a ring already? It's a ring. Make it circle. We make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, sorry, 7, this is the seventh one, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 single crochets, and then what you do next, these remaining yarn over here, the tail, you just pull it slowly. Make sure you don't break it. Slowly like that. So we are going to join this ring over here. As you can see, let me zoom it for you. This is the first single crochet over here, so we're going to insert the hook in the first single crochet. Oopsies, it's kind of hard, like that, and then you're going to make a slip stitch. This is how you make a slip stitch. Just go through like that, the slip stitch, and then next you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what you're going to do next, in the same stitch over here, in the same stitch where you made your 3 chains, you're going to insert your hook and you're going to do a double crochet. This is how you do a double crochet. You yarn over, you insert your hook like that, and then you want to pull it like that, and then you yarn over, and then you go through 2 like that. You do the same in the same stitch like that. You go through 2. Those were 2 double crochets. So we do the third one. You insert your hook after yarning over, and then like that. So again, in the next stitch, the next single crochet, we do the same. We do it 3 times. Yarn over 2, like so. Now this is the last one because we are doing 3 in each stitch like that. So you have to make sure that these loops over here are 7. So we count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be 7. So what we want to do next is we pull through all of the 7. So it's very simple, just like that. It goes in smoothly like that. And then we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to look somehow like this. Yeah, don't mind this small circle. It's supposed to be small, but I don't know why it's big. Yeah, now it's small. It's better. So next, in the same stitch as to where you put your 3 double crochets in, the same stitch over here, you're going to make a slip stitch. So like that, a slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. So you're going to go ahead and do the next stitch. This one, yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull it, and pull through 2 like that. Insert it. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. So we've made 3 in one stitch. Can you see? So we're going to do the same in the next stitch, the next single crochet, which is this one over here. One, 2, 3. So as I said, you have to make sure the loops here are 7. As you can see, there are 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you pull through all of them like that, all smooth. Chain 3, 2, and 3. That. Then, as we did last, here you insert it. Then you make a slip stitch like that. Simple. Then you make a chain 3. Okay. So you keep on doing it, you repeat it. I'm going to do it one more time so that you can do it yourselves, because it's very easy. So insert here, your stitch is here, you insert it, then you pull it. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then in the next stitch over here, one, 2, and 3, like that. So there's 7 loops. You go through all of them like that. Then you make 3 chains like that. Then you slip stitch in this stitch over here. Oops, don't mind the multiply, like that. Then you chain 3. See? So you continue all around. I don't know what I did that. I'm going to fix this one right here, okay? So when you're done, I'll meet you here when you're done. I'm at the end, so let's do the last petal together. As you can see, I have only 2 stitches remaining. I yarn over, keep going to the next one. One, 2, 3, like that. Okay, go through all the 7 loops. 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch here in the second single crochet. Like so. Then we're going to chain only 1, because now you're complete with all the the petals. So chain 1. So I'm going to cut my yarn over here. I'm going to cut it like over there and pull the yarn like that, and then just like that. So what you need to do next, of course, it doesn't look like a pretty flower right now, so what you do is just make it fluff like that, like that. All of the 6 petals. Now they're all puffy and fluffy. And what you need to do next is hide these yarns over here, and you're going to do it with your needle. So this is how it looks like. So pretty, like that. And you can make as many colors as you want, as many flowers as you want. So I've already cut the yarn. It's looking all nice. If you want, you can add a bead. I always add beads here at the center. I have like white beads so that it looks more unique, more beautiful. Yeah, it wasn't so hard, was it? You can make as many as possible. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification to be notified every time I upload a video.